We'll guide you through how to recover your Dropbox password if you've forgotten it. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website on your desktop. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Below the password field, you'll see an option that says, Forgot your password. Click on that link. You'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Dropbox account. After entering your email, click on Submit. Dropbox will then send a password reset email to your inbox. Go and check your email for a message from Dropbox. If you don't see it right away, make sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case it ended up there. When you find the email, open it and click on the Reset Password button provided in the message. This will direct you to a new page where you can create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong by using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've entered your new password twice for confirmation, click on the Submit button. Now you can return to the Dropbox sign-in page and enter your email along with your new password to access your account. If you still encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Dropbox support for further assistance. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.